Next to Tunisia, where, of course, Tunisian health authorities have heightened COVID-19 preventive measures amid a rise in new infections in the country. Business owners such as restaurants and hotels and artists are warned against violating the new regulations that were imposed during the festive period. The North African country is also limiting the movement and gathering of people in public places. Let's have more details of that in this report.
The Ministry of Health says the sanitary curfew has been extended and businesses that don't comply with the restriction, including hotels, restaurants and entertainment venues, will be penalized.
We will strengthen controls and impose a strict observance of preventive measures until January 15, 2021. The curfew will remain in place. The ban on movement between regions is maintained, except in emergencies. All public gatherings and meetings are prohibited. Public and private celebrations are not allowed, including the New Year festivities.
Tunisia's Civil Aviation Authority has reduced activities at the Tunis-Carthage International Airport to a minimum so as to prevent the spread of the new virus strain.
Unfortunately, we have suspended arrival, departure and transit flights between Tunisia, the UK, Australia, South Africa and Denmark following the detection of a new COVID-19 strain. We will probably suspend flights to and from other countries. These measures are temporary until the epidemiological situation improves around us and in the world.
Thousands of artists have protested against the stay-at-home orders at night, especially during the winter holidays and on New Year's Eve. Musicians, singers, as well as business owners have denounced the state's extension of the curfew and the travel ban.
We must resume work immediately. Artists, musicians and tens of thousands of people earn a living from restaurants, nightclubs and lounges. Maintaining the curfew and travel ban will push people into poverty.
The Health Ministry has warned that any breaches of the new measures will be considered an offence under Tunisian laws, and those found guilty shall be liable to a fine and imprisonment for a maximum term of 6 months. The COVID-19 pandemic will change the way people celebrate New Year's Eve this season. Analysts assert that maintaining the curfew and the restrictions in place for shoppers will have negative social and economic repercussions on the population.